Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to my channel. I am in Milano, Italy, and I will show you some of the very nice things we've got here in Milano, besides the Duomo. One of the things they have here is graffiti, you can see, and a park. Milano is connected with city, but there is also beautiful parks here in Milano. And today I'm going to see the park, and tomorrow I'll go down and see the city. You cannot say it's quiet and peaceful here because you can hear the traffic noise everywhere. But there are playgrounds and old beautiful buildings and big beautiful trees. I am walking in the center of Milan. They have a huge amount of beautiful buildings like these. You can walk and walk and see beautiful buildings everywhere. Museo di Novecento, Modern Time Museum, is right here. Wonderful museum. This is the absolutely greatest attraction in Milan. Duomo di Milan. It took them more than 600 years to build this dome church. One of the biggest dome churches in the world. It's fantastic building. It is filled with ornamentations and decorations all over the front here. And it's a very popular place to photograph yourself with this fantastic background. Look at all these details. And this people's life here in the great piazza in front of the church. There are lots of pigeons, tourists, Romans. Der bliver taget mange billeder her. You can also do a little kissing while you're photographing. This is also a very impressive building, but with the same glory as the dome, of course. Goodbye, dome. Fantastic building. No discussion. Incredible dome top we have here. And see the floor. Fantastic. And the way to the dome Isn't that beautiful? Golden paintings everywhere. And the entrance to the McDonald's. Oh. And pizzeria, restaurant. Not only McDonald's, also Italian food. Chocolate. Naturalmente. Il Etico. You can see down here. We go down to the big street here in Milano. Alessandro Manzoni. Everywhere you find these statues of famous Milanese people and fantastic old buildings. This is the Leonardo da Vinci Museum. Beautiful place. Wonderful building. Very busy. And this is another piazza. Big piazza. With one more statue. The painters. We got your Roman painting or Milanese painting there. Leonardo, of course. Leonardo da Vinci. Beautiful statue. It's in the middle of Milano, in front of his museum. They have a lot of statues like this. This is enormous. And here, we're going down there. Looks interesting. Beautiful paintings. And the cozy little street. Here is a car. Here they got a problem because the tram cannot pass because of a car that is illegally parked there, and very good we have a policeman there who can help. This very old tram, 143 years old. This tram is a historical tram. Perhaps you can get a historical tram trip. Now we have the problem again. Oh. Milano. Visit Milan. More trams. And Phantom of the Opera. And police. And Red Cross. And now I'm going home. I'm driving a tram with no ticket because I don't know how to get a ticket. So I don't know again the Spanish on my neck. This is Milano from a train. So now we drive. I think I'll have to stop my trip in a minute. It is a little in the wrong direction.
I go with yours.
Repubblica. So bye bye tram. I will go for a coffee now. Almost home again. And here I'm sure they can give me some coffee. What do you mean now? Oh, coffee, happy hour.